you getting network connection lost in Nioh 3? Suffering from high ping, lag spikes, rubber banding, or random disconnects on PC? These problems are usually caused by server issues, unstable internet, DNS problems, VPNs, firewall/antivirus blocks, or Windows network settings. In this video, I'll show you all the working fixes step by step to stabilize your connection, reduce ping, and fix lag in Nioh 3 on Windows 10 and Windows 11.
First, open the Start menu. Search for Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Double-click your network adapter. Open Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. In preferred DNS type, 8.8.8.8. In alternate DNS server type, 8.4.4.8. Press OK and close the windows. Solution number 2. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type ipconfig/release. Press Enter. Type ipconfig. Press Enter. Type ipconfig flush DNS. Press Enter. Type netwinsock reset. Press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution number 3. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Network and Internet. Open Advanced Network Settings. Open Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. Press Yes. Press Close. Restart your PC to apply the changes.